In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use card on Expedia. Start by opening your browser and heading to expedia.com. On the homepage, decide what you want to book: a flight, a hotel, or a vacation package. Enter your destination, travel dates, and the number of travelers. Take a moment to use the filters to narrow things down. Look at price ranges, refundability, number of stops for flights, or amenities for hotels. This helps you find the best match without surprises later. When you see an option you like, select the booking to open the full details. Carefully review everything here. For flights, check baggage rules, layovers, and change policies. For hotels, look at room type, included services, and the cancellation window. For packages, confirm what's bundled and what isn't. Also scan the total price with taxes and fees so you know the final cost before moving on. Proceed to checkout. You'll be guided to enter traveler details. Make sure names match your government ID or passport exactly, and enter your date of birth and contact information accurately. This is important for ticketing and for receiving timely alerts or updates about your trip. Next, head to the payment section. Choose PayPal as your payment method. This lets you pay with a card that's stored in your PayPal wallet, so you don't have to type your card number directly on Expedia. Click to continue and log into your PayPal account securely. If you're prompted for additional verification, just follow the on-screen steps. Inside PayPal, choose your payment source. Select the specific card you want to use and make sure the billing address is up to date. Double-check the currency and the total amount, as well as any taxes or fees, then confirm the payment. This approval tells PayPal to charge your chosen card. You'll be redirected back to Expedia to finalize the booking. Give everything one last review: dates, traveler names, and the total. And then, complete your Expedia booking. You should see a confirmation screen once it processes successfully. Finally, check your email for your booking confirmation. It usually arrives within a few minutes, but give it a little time and check your spam or promotions folder if you don't see it. Open the message to review your itinerary, confirmation number, and the cancellation policy. It's a good idea to save the email, download any attached documents, and note important deadlines in case your plans change. If you notice anything that doesn't look right, compare the details on Expedia with your PayPal activity so you can address it quickly. And that's it. Your card has been used on Expedia via PayPal, and your trip is booked.